Hello kids, this is a class 5 maths arithmetic operation addition and subtraction sums. Shall we start? Now see first question. Add 7,25,678 plus 59,475. First one, what is the first step? We are going to do arrange the first number in correct order. That means from ones, tens, 100,000 and 10,000 lakhs. Then after that arrange the second number in that proper order. That means ones in the ones place, tens in the tens place and hundreds in the hundred place, like this. Now if it is addition means I put plus sign. Now we are going to add. Shall we add? 8 plus 5 is 13. So for 13 I put 3 in the ones place and carrying goes to 10 place 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. Again 5 in the tens place and 1. Carrying again add 1 plus 6 is 7 plus 4 is 11. So 11 I put 1 in the hundredth place and 1000 in the carrying place. Again you add 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 you put 5 in the 1000 place and 1 in the 10,000 place carrying. And again you are going to add 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. And 7 in the lakh place there is no number. So you put 7 as it is. So your answer is 7,85,153. Okay. Now next come to the subtraction. Subtract the numbers 3,68,560 minus 1,20,976. Shall we start? First step, we arrange the numbers in the proper order. And secondly, second number also we arrange in that proper order. That means ones in the ones place, tens in the tens place, hundreds in the hundreds place and so on. So see here, we are going to subtract from the ones place. See the ones place, first number is 0. And the subtracted number is 6. Shall we subtract? No, we cannot subtract. Why? Because 0 is a very small number. So what we can do? We are going to borrow from tens place. So when we borrow, what we have? In the ones place, we have 0 will become 10. And this 6 in the tens place will become 5. So 10 minus 6 is 4 and in the tens place we have 5 minus 7. Again we can subtract? No, we cannot. So again you borrow from the 100 place. So this 5 becomes 15. Now 15 minus 7 is what? 8. Then in the hundreds place 5 becomes 4. Now again subtract. 4 minus 9. So, shall we do the subtraction? No. So, again I borrow from that 1000 place. So, 4 becomes 14 and 14 minus 9 is 5. And 8 in the thousands place will become 7. So, 7 minus 0 is 7. And 6 in the 10,000 place is a greater number. So, we can easily subtract. 6 minus 2 is 4 and 3 minus 1 in the lakh place is 2. So my answer is 2,47,584. Are you clear? Next we come to that word problem in addition. Shall we do? Income of a company for last year was rupees 12,35,870 and that of this year was 18,40,388. Find the total income of 2 years. So, here, see the question. Income of the first year of a company is given and income for this year of a company is given. And they asked to find out the total income of 2 years. So, here the clue word we have total income. So, what we have to do? We are going to add. Shall we see? See that income for last year. Write the statement income for last year which is equal to 12,35,870 arranged in the proper order. And also income for this year you have to write that number, that is 18,40,388 rupees. Again, you are going to add this two numbers. How to add? First, to arrange the numbers in the proper way. Ones in the ones place, tens in the tens place. Okay. Then after that, from ones place we are going to add. How to add? First, 0 plus 8 is 8. Because any number we add with 0, the same number is the answer. Next, go to that tens place. What is in the tens place? 7 plus 8. That is 15. And 5 in the tens place, and 1 will be carried to that 100 place. Again, 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. So 2 you put in that 100 place, and 1 again carrying in the 1000 place. Now again 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 0 is again 6 we have. Next, come to that 10,000 place. 3 plus 4, that is 7. And come to the lakh place. 2 plus 8 is 10. You put 0 in the lakh place and 1 carry to 10 lakh place. Again 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So now we finished addition. Now we write the statement. They ask for total income. You write this total income, which is equal to 30,76,258. Are you okay? Next we come for the word problems in subtraction. Now see that word problem. Light travels at a speed of 29 crore 97 lakh 92,458 meter per second. If a ray of light has already travelled 10 crore 19 lakh 99,798 meters per second, then how much distance is left to be covered by it that second? This is a question. What is the meaning of meter per second? It travels for 1 second. This much of meter for 1 second it travels, because the speed of light is more. So it is given as meter per second. So we have to write that unit also. Now shall we go to the solution? Ray of light, the total distance is given as 29 crore 97 lakh 92,458 meter per second. Already travelled is given 10 crore 19 lakh 99,798 meter per second. Then how do you find out the remaining distance? For that we are going to subtract that already distance from the total distance. They ask, what is the left distance it has to be covered or it has to be travelled? That is the question. So from the total distance I am going to subtract that the distance already travelled. When I subtract, we get the left distance it has to be travelled. Okay, so this is a subtraction. Now how to subtract? First you arrange the numbers in proper order, and after that first we start the subtraction from ones place. See here, 8 minus 8 is 0. And next come to the tens place. 5 minus 9 we cannot subtract. So for borrow from a 100 place. If I borrow, what we get? This 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 9 is 6. This 4 becomes 3. And again 4 minus 7 we couldn't subtract. So borrow from tens, that 1000 place. What we have? 3. That is 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 7 is 6. Here in the 1000 place we give one more to the hundreds. So we have 1 in the 1000 place. Again 1 minus 9 we could not subtract. So I borrow from 10,000 place. So this 1 becomes 11. So 11 minus 9 is 2. And 9 in the 10,000 place will become 8. So what is 8 minus 9? Again we cannot subtract. So borrow from the lakh place. If we borrow, what we have? 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. And in the lakh place we have 7. Okay. So we give one more to that 10,000 place. So it will become 6. So again 6 minus 9 we couldn't subtract. So borrow from the tens place. So if I borrow, what we have? 16 in the lakh place. So 16 minus 9 is 7. And in the 10 lakh place, instead of 9, I have 8. So because we give 1 to the lakh. So 8 minus 1 is 7. And see that crore place, 9 minus 0. 9 is a larger number. So we can subtract 9 minus 0 is 9. 2 minus 1 is 1. So what is the left distance the light has to be travelled? 19 crore 77 lakh 92,660.
Thank you for watching, students.
So subtraction over.